In the tumultuous world of cryptocurrency, 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year. The seeds of change were sown back in the Trump era, with the former president's administration exploring the creation of a national Bitcoin reserve. This unprecedented move signaled a shift in the perception of Bitcoin, from a fringe digital asset to a potential cornerstone of national economic strategy. While a federal Bitcoin reserve never came to fruition under Trump, the idea took root and began to flourish at the state level. This groundswell of interest from individual states is indicative of a broader trend: the increasing recognition of Bitcoin's potential to reshape the financial landscape. Across the United States, nearly 20 states have stepped up to embrace the Bitcoin revolution. Driven by a combination of fiscal pragmatism and a desire to be at the forefront of financial innovation, these states are actively crafting legislation to allow for the allocation of state funds into Bitcoin. Michigan, a state with a history of industrial innovation, has proposed investing up to 10% of its substantial stabilization fund into cryptocurrencies, a bold move that underscores the growing confidence in digital assets. Similarly, Utah's House of Representatives has given the green light to a proposal that would allow for up to 5% of state funds to be invested in Bitcoin and other digital assets. Not all states are ready to embrace the crypto wave. North Dakota, for example, recently rejected a bill that would have paved the way for state investments in Bitcoin. This resistance highlights the ongoing debate surrounding the stability and long-term viability of cryptocurrencies. The United States is not alone in its exploration of Bitcoin's potential. The burgeoning crypto movement has captured the attention of central banks and financial institutions worldwide, sparking a mix of curiosity and apprehension. The Czech National Bank has taken a proactive stance, actively examining the feasibility of adding Bitcoin to its reserves. However, not all nations are convinced. Poland and the European Central Bank remain skeptical of Bitcoin's long-term value and have expressed their opposition to its adoption. This divergence in global perspectives underscores the uncertainty that still surrounds Bitcoin and its future role in the global financial system. The driving force behind Bitcoin's surge in popularity is no longer limited to technological advancements or libertarian ideals. Instead, the shift towards institutional adoption has become the primary catalyst for Bitcoin's growth. Major financial institutions, hedge funds, and corporations are increasingly adding Bitcoin to their portfolios, viewing it as a hedge against inflation and a strategic asset in an increasingly digital world. This institutional embrace has ignited a wave of optimism among Bitcoin proponents. Cathie Wood, CEO of RK Invest and a well-known advocate for disruptive technologies, has projected that Bitcoin could reach an astounding $700,000 by 2030. While such predictions should be treated with caution, they reflect the growing belief that Bitcoin is poised for mainstream adoption and significant price appreciation. The world is watching as the Bitcoin experiment unfolds, holding its breath to see if this digital revolution will redefine the very nature of money and finance. Thanks for watching. Navigate wealth with Svoboda Finance.